today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently create and sell packages in Acuity Scheduling. If you want to optimize your services or offer bundle deals to your clients, this guide will get you started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Start by logging into your Acuity Scheduling account. Once you're in, navigate to Packages, Gifts and Subscriptions. This is where you'll manage all your package offerings. Click on New Package to begin creating your bundle. First, enter a descriptive title for your package. Make it eye-catching and representative of what clients will receive. Add a description outlining what's included and consider uploading a picture to visually showcase your package. Categorizing your package can also help keep things organized, especially if you offer multiple options. Next, decide on visibility. Acuity gives 3 options. Public PA, available for all clients to purchase via your scheduler. Private, hidden from the general scheduler and accessible only via a direct link. Unavailable, hidden from new clients, but existing clients can still redeem previously purchased packages. After setting visibility, define your price. Choose a value that reflects your bundle while staying competitive and attractive to your clients. Then, use the Redeemable for drop-down menu to specify which appointment types can be booked using this package. You can limit it to specific services or make it available for all your appointments depending on your strategy. Finally, click Save to finalize your package. Once saved, you can share the purchase link with clients directly or embed it on your website to increase sales. By following these steps, you can easily create and sell packages that streamline bookings, enhance client satisfaction, and boost your business offerings. Happy scheduling!